Let me show you two different ways how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. First, if everything is okay with the watch and you have full access to it, we can simply go in the settings. And simply click your general settings, and over here your reset option over here, and you can reset from over here. Then what if something has happened to your watch? Maybe it's broken, or again maybe there's some security on it. Then also we can actually reset it from bootloader, and the way we do it is we simply have to restart the watch, and the way we do it is we simply press and hold both buttons on the watch. So as you see, while the watch obviously is on, simply press both buttons and ignore whatever it says. And once it shuts down, we are going to release the buttons and then click the upper buttons. You see, I'm rapidly clicking the upper button now. Once it goes off, as you see, I was able to get in this menu over here. And then what we have to do is we simply have to use a button over here to cycle to the recovery, and long press this upper button to enter it. So simply press and hold for like maybe 2 seconds. It will reboot now. Simply wait. Okay, once we are in this menu, we are going to use the lower button essentially to cycle over here, wipe date, factory reset. As you see, also it gives you a warning if you actually have Google account on this watch. Basically, once you actually do this, it will actually ask for your password. But again, this still resets any pin codes that you have on your watch. Simply, again, this simply prevents basically someone stealing your watch and doing this. So again, simply press and hold this upper button to confirm. Okay, I'm going to simply hold it for a bit. Okay, again, factory date reset, and again hold for a bit. Yep, release, and you see it's doing this. Okay, then simply wait a bit, and yep, all done really. And then again we can click reboot system now until reboot, and yeah, basically you'll be able to set up this watch as a brand new watch essentially. Anyway, good luck.